Hello everyone. Let's learn today how to create combination chart. I have a data set here which have the product, target and actual sales. So we will select this particular data table, go to insert, go for recommended chart. If you are not aware which chart to be inserted, you'll get lots of options which want to be selected. Let's select this for time being to learn more on the combination chart. So we will get here everything data, but I have two different representation for target and actual. So what we can do, select this, right click, go to change series chart type, or select this and right click and go to change chart type. What is difference you can observe here. If I go and select particular data, suppose actual, and right click and select the change series chart type, it will take me to the combo where I can customize as per my requirement for target and actual. But if we select this and right click and change chart type, it will take me to the column where I can change the entire chart. I have to come back to the combo and do the task of customization. So suppose you can select any one of them, right click, go to change series chart type. Now let me change the target to as a, suppose I want to show it in this way, it will change the target as this way. Now next what to do, go here, right click, go to format data series. We'll go for fill and line to format this particular series. So we have two options, one is for line, one is for the marker. Line, we will not want to have this line, only want to have a marker for this. So we'll select no line. You can see that it has been removed. Now go to back to marker, select fill as solid fill so that it can be filled with the color as per your requirement. Let's keep it as a black or any color. Next, I want to represent it with not a dot, a line. So what you can do, go to the marker, select here, go down and select a line. So you can see a line is came and you can increase the size of the line. Now it's look good. Now what we want to have the legends. So you can select here, add here the data label. You will see it is there, but we don't want to be at the top. We want at the inside base. So you can see it is there. Now you can select it and make it any color as per your relevance. For this also, we want a data label, select it, go it, and we want it at the above. So this is the way how it can be represented. And we can mention its title as an actual versus planned or target. And also this, that bottom you can see the legend of respective dataset. It can also be changed. It is directly changed from here. Suppose I mentioned T, I mentioned A, it changed accordingly. Now one more thing we can do. Let's name it to target and make it actual. Okay. Or you can say it something like that. This is a target and this is a percentage. And let me make it 10%, 15%, or like that 7%. Or what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how to insert a secondary seed. So 18%, and suppose this is 23. Okay, Now this is a percentage one and this is the target, so this two thing doesn't match. So what we can do, similarly select this, go to change data series. Now I want to remove it from percentage to secondary axis, so it will become a secondary axis. And if we make okay, you can see that this is the way which we can represent this particular data set as a secondary axis and value for this as a primary axis. So this is the way how we can do some more changes or make it more descriptive and visualize in a greater way. Now this is the way how we can create a combination chart in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more tips and tricks in Excel, please follow my channel.